Come on, guys. We had to get to rescue our eggs. Oh, man. I can't feel those allergies on my nose. Oh, okay. I think I'm here. Oh, man. I think I can't escape from this rubbery version of me. This. There. That's better. So, we had to rescue our eggs from that guy. And also, I just like plant flowers in here. Really, Matilda? Plant in here? On that slingshot? Seriously? Yeah, who cares? I hope you might get to enjoy my flowers because they look like good decoration, you know. Fine. If you want to get your eggs back, you have to face me. Oh man, I can't wait to knock that pig out. Alright, it's my turn. I was hoping if I get to get the good aim. You idiot. Why do you have allergy issues? Every spring, I have these terrible allergies because every time I have flowers, those pretty much has pollen in it. I always get like some kind of sneezing issue. Okay, can you just stop sneezing like in my personal space? My bad. How come you pretty much have some allergy issues when you're just a little hatchling? Well, I just like pretty much looking out in the garden, and I saw all those sweet looking flowers, and just to smell it, and suddenly, always sneeze. Suddenly. Alright, let me do this again. Alright, good luck, ready! Bomb. Sorry. Seriously, what am I gonna do? Seriously, I don't have allergies because I pretty much can smell it, but I didn't have pollen on my, get pollen always taking over my nose and always sneeze a lot. But you always sneeze. Alright, don't screw this up. Okay, here it goes. On to 3. 1, 2, 3. Red. 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 It's just a freaking accident, you know. Well, who cares? Just focus on your aiming. Okay, here goes my aiming. Oh, you made it? Oh, are you sure you're going to have to do this again? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna focus on my aiming. Alright, here it goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Stupid flowers! Why are you doing this in my nose? Where's it? How come? Oh wait, let me get red. The only thing about trying to make the earth alive and is actually for pollen, and bees always been pretty much pollen flowers, and sometimes bees always get it pretty much sting people, but sometimes they just pretty much always didn't give a shit because they're fine because they didn't sting people because there's like little cuts and little bruises and some kind of a lot of bugs and a lot of animals or something. A lot of scrapes and bruises and cuts. Oh yeah. Seriously, I remember that time when Max just got his. Oh, I meant Matt got stung by a bee and he's alright. He isn't crying. Just be like tough like a man, Yeah, Matilda always pretty much got some kind of oil to get rid of it, like some some kind of medicine oil. Yeah. Who cares? Let me get a stand right behind you, Red. Alright. Don't screw this up. Don't screw this up. Oh. Ha ha ha. Really? She's just missed the perfect shot, and he's raspberried us. What's the matter, Bomb? Do you see Matilda? He's just that big raspberry us. Oh, that little. Okay, Bomb. You have to do this. You have to do this. All right. I have to do this. I have to do this. All right, goes. Okay. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Okay, I think that launch just failed. Okay, let's just do this again. Okay. On to 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Yeah! Oh shoot. Ah! Shit! Holy smoke, Bombers pretty much sneeze and explode. Okay, I got your eggs back. Ah, Bomb. Oh. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, the allergies might be out. Might be go out. Oh, alright. Where's Matilda? Are we sure we're gonna get our honeymoon thing? Yeah. Thanks for rescuing our eggs. Yeah, possibly one of the villagers' eggs. Yeah, in Bird Island. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's go on a honeymoon. I think that's the way. What happened? Have no idea. Have no idea. And do you hear that? It's the itchy eyes. Because those flowers during spring might give you itchy eyes, runny nose, stuffy nose, and much sore throat. Oh, come on, are you sure if sore throat is an allergy? Yeah, if you need some kind of allergies has all of allergies like neither nuts and eggs. Oh, we're not allergic to eggs because we had to protect our kids. Right, Red? Yeah. I mean, I gotta take this back to one of the villagers that belongs to. We should take these back in Matilda's anger management class. Okay, that's better. I have to keep on that goddamn spinner. Oh, crap. Oh, there's also the one thing about spring. You know, warm weather, the grass is now green, turning green, flowers are blooming. But the only one thing that everybody hates about spring is allergies. If there's a bee actually pretty much pollinate the flowers and you smell it because the pollen might got that flower has pollen on it. Do not smell it if it has pollen, but only smell it if it didn't have pollen. That's pretty much good, but sometimes you can pretty much use a lot of medicine to get rid of the allergies. So good luck for smelling the flowers during springtime.